lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Yes, today we'll be doing vlog and it's all about our birthday party. Yes, Serenity and Michelle are celebrating their birthday in the church, which is on the 7th of March. Yes, and this time we are going to pick our cake. Yes, we are going to pick the cake that they will be using. I decided to take you guys along. Serenity's birthday was on the 24th of January and Michelle was February 26th, but we decided to do everything together, which is tomorrow. So guys, I hope you will be glad as I take you guys along this our birthday preparation, our birthday party, everything. So we are on our way to where we are going to pick the cake. Yes. So I'll be showing you the cake. I'll also show you the dress I bought for them. I ordered it online and everything came so well, and that was the reason I decided to shift the birthday thing this March, because I could not order those things before their birthday, so it's already late before I ordered it, and I decided to receive the order first before I can fix a date, and which everything came perfectly well. So if you are new here, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. If today is your first time coming across this great channel, you are highly welcome. Oh my goodness, in this channel we are into cooking, lifestyle and beauty, and little bit of sit down video. So if you are in those category, you love all those things, remember to hit that button that says subscribe. Is absolutely free of charge. This reason you are subscribing is for you to be notified anytime I put on a new video. You will get alert. Yes, alert, not money, alert of my video. So that is all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you love what you see, and if you do, remember to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to our channel. Yes, your subscription matters. Yes, and remember to always share video in any social media you are operating, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on TikTok, on Instagram. You can share it to your friends and family. You understand? So guys, stay tuned to this video and I will allow you to enjoy the rest of the video from the starting to this place and to the end, and let me know your feedback. Yes, let me know your feedback. Tell me how I decorated, because I'll also be doing a little party at home, but not just party. I will decorate their room to get a photo from it. It's going to be a very simple birthday, but special. Yes, and special. So guys, that is it. Let's not talk too much. I allowed you to enjoy the video. Good morning guys. I updated you guys yesterday that we'll be having our daughter's birthdays today, and after we came back, so it was so late before we got home, and this is the morning of it, and today is the Sunday of it. So these are all the meat pie we ordered for. The same person did the meat pie and the cake. This is it. We got 2 cartons of it. So guys, can you see the cake as well? The cake was so beautiful. Immediately I saw the cake, I was so excited. Anyway, she's so perfect. She have been doing all the cake I use for my kids, and I also ordered the clothes. The clothes came perfectly the way it was on that online, so everything came out perfectly well. The shoe, the balloon, what you know as blow blow, my goodness, everything was okay. This is the cake. This is for Serenity, 3 years old Serenity baby. 1 year old for Michelle. This is for Sophia. She is also called Michelle, but we use Sophia for this cake, and this is it.
Hi guys, stay amazing.
So my people, welcome back. Oh my goodness, yes, we are going to church. We are on our way to church, yes, for the party, yes. So guys, I decided to mute it because there was so much noise and the baby was crying, so I just said let me not bore you with the noise that will be coming out from the background. So beautiful people, I hope you have been enjoying the video in this place, and I believe you are going to enjoy the rest of the video too. So guys, let me not bore you and let's go ahead with our party.
By the power in the name of Jesus. You will serve. This will not be your last birthday. The joy of this birthday shall come into your family. The joy of the Lord shall be your family. How long you go to church to cut your cake before the children, that the children will celebrate with you. This gathering shall continue. This blood shall work strong in your family. In the name of Jesus. Celebrate them once again. Let the children join them now. All the children will be. Thank you. That one that will fly up, don't put that one yet. Arrange your way, ushers. Arrange the children, let it be beautiful. Where is she now? After all the crowd. We're waiting for you.
Somebody should check this table, please.
Snap them. Amen.
Okay.
So we are cutting the cake immediately because our time. When I call Jesus, children, look at the picture. Voila, the hand. If I call Jesus, put your hands. We are cutting the same time. We spell Jesus, then we do it so that we fast. When I say J, you say J. Yes, I can. I don't let the couple have no religion. Amen. Can we spell Jesus today? Everybody say J. There's something I'm feeling about them. Look at them there. Just look at them. Just look at them. Amen. Hallelujah. Let the children go back to their seat. Share the food quickly. Choir immediately. What's that? Oh, everybody. I will share the grace. I will share the grace. As we share the grace, all the choir, rise up on your feet. We are closing now. This shall be blessed. For you. You will not go back and complain. Because on Sunday you have a testimony. The Lord will watch over you.
So guys, the party was fun and we enjoyed ourselves and no, it's not gonna be like for the tea. I greet my family. Say hi guys. Hi. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday to you. This is advert. Wait, hello or hi, ladies family or Ladysion's family. Okay. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
What do we have here? We have natural blessed lifestyle. Oh my goodness.
They're your favorite ebony girl, natural blessed.
You can see she's ebony and beautiful black beauty. Yes, you see the beauty when I put for there. She is so beautiful and a shout out to her. Yes, she's awesome. You have not visited her channel. What are you waiting for? Go and check her out and I know you will see beautiful and amazing content on her channel. So guys, what do you have to say on today's party?
Yeah, it was fun. I really enjoyed myself. Happy birthday once again, Mitchell.
Thank you.
May you grow old. So
amen. Will become away. If the year Bini, you know that one. You know that one. Not me go tell you. Lifestyle, lifestyle. Okay, hello.
Hello, happy birthday to my
Thank you
princess.
so much. So, hello guys. Welcome back once again. We are still on the party. Yes, the grooving. So this is the most beautiful girl in Ghana, Sandra, aka.
good day, everybody. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday. Happy first Sunday of the month of March. Today is baby Serenity and Sophia's birthday. You know, we came to celebrate with them, even in church. You know, everything you do in the house of God, there is a blessing that is attached to it. You understand? So we came, we dedicated these children here, so we're celebrating their birthday. My prayer for them is they will live long and celebrate more birthdays to come. Their parents will get the fruit of their labor.
Yes.
Your children will grow from strength to strength. They will grow in the strength of God and in the wisdom of God.
Amen.
So you people out there, thank you for celebrating with us, and as you celebrate with us, celebration will never cease from you all.
Amen.
And don't forget to subscribe and always comment on Ladyzion.
Ladyzion Sweethome.
All the food where you did life, you did there. If you don't know how to cook, it's not a crime. Go there, go and learn. You learn more, okay? We love you. We love you guys.
Thank you so much. I really do appreciate.
very tongue away. Ladyzion Sweethome. I went on that about water. Tavenia, my mom enjoy me patch. My mom made me a package here. So guys, today was really fun and I really do appreciate the work of God in my life, and I am grateful to God Almighty for his good and wonderful work he has done for me and my family.